How to turn on WhatsApp notification. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to apps and then navigate to WhatsApp. And here click on notifications. Now, as you can see here, the notification feature or option for the WhatsApp is disabled. So click on the toggle next to it to turn it on. Once you do that, you will get a list of all of the notifications that you can get from the WhatsApp app, and they are all turned off. So in order for you to turn them on, you can just click on the toggle next to them to turn them on. You can turn some of them on while leaving the others off depending on what your needs, or you can just turn all of them on, as you can see. And by doing this, you have just enabled all of the WhatsApp notifications and activated them. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and activate the notifications on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.